Hi there. If you're a guy over the age of 40 and your energy is crashing and your strength is fading, the problem is not just your age, it is your testosterone. I'm Terry, I'm 64 years old, and I help men restore their testosterone, rebuild muscle, and reclaim their edge using science-based nutrition, diet planning, resistance training programs, and lifestyle strategies. So if you want practical, proven methods that actually work, you're in the right place, so stay right here. So let's get into today's video, which is sleep optimization for men over 40. So let's go. In this video, I'm going to talk about your sleep quality, which is a cornerstone of men's health, especially for men aged 40 to 60 plus. As we age, our sleep patterns can change, impacting our overall well-being. Focusing on sleep optimization will lead to significant improvements in your health, including better physical recovery, enhanced cognitive function, and improved emotional stability. As men age, maintaining quality sleep becomes crucial for overall health and well-being. So in this video, I will explore various strategies to optimize your sleep, highlighting its significance in physical and mental health, hormone regulation, and more. So let's get started. Here's our medical disclaimer, and it's just important to note that your medical practitioner should always be consulted before beginning any new program that involves exercise, nutrition, wellness, or health. Quality sleep is foundational for overall health. Sleep supports physical wellness by aiding recovery and your immune function. Sleep quality also enhances mental clarity and cognitive performance. Furthermore, good sleep is essential for emotional stability, helping to regulate mood and manage stress effectively. Prioritizing sleep can lead to a more balanced and healthier life. As you can see, quality sleep is essential for maintaining overall health, especially for men aged 40 to 60 plus. It affects your physical wellness, mental clarity, and emotional stability, making it a fundamental pillar of a healthy lifestyle. Sleep plays a key role in hormone production, particularly testosterone, which is crucial for various bodily functions and making it essential for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. Lack of sleep can lead to decreased testosterone levels, affecting mood, energy, and overall health. Understanding the connection between sleep quality and the male body's hormonal systems emphasizes the importance of prioritizing quality sleep for optimal health, especially for men over the age of 40. Research shows that sleep deprivation can lead to significant declines in testosterone levels, which can adversely affect overall health and well-being. Understanding sleep cycles is crucial for enhancing sleep quality. Sleep is divided into several cycles, including REM and non-REM sleep. Each cycle plays a unique role in physical and cognitive recovery, and understanding of these cycles helps in recognizing how to improve sleep quality. REM sleep, which is an acronym for rapid eye movement, and which is dreaming, is vital for cognitive functions such as memory and emotional processing. Non-REM sleep is essential for physical recovery. Stage 3 of non-REM sleep is the most restorative phase where the body performs crucial repair and growth functions. By recognizing and understanding these cycles, we can adopt better sleep hygiene practices that promote restorative sleep, ultimately leading to improved health and longevity. Several factors can significantly impact your sleep quality. High stress levels can hinder our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Dietary choices, such as heavy meals before bedtime, can disrupt our sleep cycles as well. Lifestyle choices, including exercise and electronic screen time, also play a critical role. Additionally, environmental conditions like noise and light can affect our ability to achieve restful sleep. So understanding these factors is the first step toward improvement. So identifying and mitigating these factors is crucial for achieving restful sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for muscle recovery and growth. During sleep, the body repairs damaged tissues and synthesizes proteins necessary for muscle development. This process is crucial for men over 40 engaged in rigorous physical activity, as proper sleep significantly contributes to performance, strength, and endurance. Prioritizing sleep can enhance recovery and day-to-day physical performance for men over 40. Quality sleep is essential for cardiovascular health. It helps maintain heart function and can prevent heart-related diseases. Poor sleep can increase the risk of conditions like hypertension and heart disease, making it crucial to prioritize restorative sleep to maintain a healthy heart. By understanding the relationship between sleep and heart health, we can take proactive steps to protect our cardiovascular well-being. Adequate sleep plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy body weight. Poor sleep quality adversely impacts your metabolism and appetite regulation, with lack of sleep leading to difficulties in weight management and therefore weight gain. So proper sleep helps balance your hormones that control hunger, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. So understanding this connection should motivate you to prioritize sleep as part of your weight management strategy. Sleep significantly impacts mental health and cognitive function. This section will explore how quality sleep contributes to better brain function and mental health well-being. Quality sleep is essential for cognitive and overall mental health and supports various mental processes crucial for daily functioning. Your sleep quality influences your cognitive processes such as memory retention, attention span, and problem-solving abilities. Good sleep enhances these cognitive functions, leading to improved performance in everyday tasks and decision-making in your daily activities. So by ensuring we get enough quality sleep, we can enhance our cognitive functions, leading to improved outcomes in all of your personal and professional settings all day long. Getting adequate sleep is associated with a decrease in symptoms of depression, promoting overall emotional well-being and improved overall mood. Prioritizing your sleep quality can significantly lower anxiety levels, contributing to a more balanced mental state. Good sleep habits also foster emotional stability and improved overall mood, leading to a healthier mindset. Quality sleep is essential for reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Research indicates a strong connection between poor quality of sleep and an increased risk of conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, and dementia, just to name a few. Significant early warning signs of the potential onset of future diseases include the following: sleep-related breathing disorders like sleep apnea, high rates of insomnia and circadian rhythm disruption, restless leg syndrome, and REM sleep behavior disorder. In simple terms, these sleep disorders impair the brain's clearance of toxic proteins, which can eventually lead to developing one of these neurodegenerative diseases. So if you suffer from any of these sleep problems right now, you must take steps to correct the situation immediately. By prioritizing your sleep quality, we can protect our brain health and maintain optimal cognitive function as we age, making sleep a critical component of a long-term health strategy for all middle-aged and older men. Inadequate sleep, rest, and recovery inevitably leads to depressed testosterone levels, which further compromises our overall health. So now that you have a greater understanding of how vitally important sleep quality really is for our health as mature men, let's take a look at some specific methods to help you sleep better each and every night. This section will provide practical strategies for optimizing your sleep. From environmental factors to lifestyle changes, these tips will help you to get a better quality of sleep and to increase and improve your overall health as a result. Consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule helps regulate the body's internal clock, positively affecting hormone production and overall health. You should establish sleep hygiene practices. Implementing good sleep hygiene, such as creating a comfortable sleep environment, can significantly improve sleep quality and support your hormone health. A relaxing bedtime routine is something that you should establish as soon as possible. Creating a calming bedtime routine can enhance relaxation, promoting quality sleep and hormonal balance for better health. Diet and lifestyle changes can significantly improve your sleep quality. In particular, reducing caffeine and eliminating sugar intake will help regulate sleep patterns as well as your sleep duration. Establishing a regular and rigorous exercise routine during the day promotes better sleep. So by doing the physical work in the gym during the day, this will set you up for a more restful sleep at bedtime. Creating a peaceful sleep environment free from distractions and any potential stress factors is also essential for achieving restful sleep. Add to your routine a short meditation session just before bed to clear your mind and calm your body, and you will be ready for a good night's sleep every night. All of these actions combined together will lead to a more restorative sleep experience. Creating an optimal sleep environment is key to achieving quality rest. An optimal sleep environment includes the following. You should acquire a comfortable mattress and utilize quality bedding. A quality mattress is essential for a good night's sleep, providing support and comfort for your body to get a restful sleep. Appropriate lighting. Soft and adjustable lighting helps create a calming atmosphere, promoting relaxation for better sleep quality. And cool temperature in the room. So establishing a cool room temperature, slightly below room temperature, doesn't have to be ice cold freezing, but this enhances sleep comfort and can lead to deeper sleep cycles. You can utilize technology sleep apps combined with natural aids to improve your sleep quality. And by doing this, you're going to enhance your relaxation, and this promotes improved sleep duration. Technology can assist in sleep optimization through sleep tracking apps, white noise machines, and sleep aids. Understanding how these tools effectively enhance your sleep quality is very important. For example, white noise machines. White noise machines create soothing sounds that help mask disruptive noises, thereby promoting better sleep environments. Sleep optimization and tracking apps help monitor your sleep patterns and provide insights for optimizing sleep quality based on data. Recommended sleep apps that I've even used include Calm. It's best overall for meditation and general relaxation. You can use Sleep Cycle. It's excellent for sleep tracking, and it has smart alarms as well as sleep pattern analysis. You can use Headspace. That's guided meditation and mindfulness, and it also offers audio sleep casts to help you fall asleep. I use these all the time. You can use Sleep Score. That provides detailed sleep reports, provides insights into your sleep quality as well, so you can actually compile data on your sleep patterns and make adjustments and of the feedback that you get. So here's a recap of the steps that you need to take to improve your sleep quality. So several factors impact your sleep quality. High stress levels can hinder our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Dietary choices such as heavy meals before bedtime will disrupt our sleep cycles. Lifestyle choices, including exercise and avoiding excess electronic screen time before bedtime, also play a critical role. And additionally, environmental conditions like noise, as well as blue light, like I said, from screens close to bedtime, will affect our ability for achieving restful sleep. So understanding these factors is the first step towards improvement, and identifying and mitigating these harmful factors is crucial for achieving restful sleep. So here's a recap of the practical steps you can take to improve sleep. Create an optimal sleep environment. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and routine every night, every evening, every night. Make necessary dietary changes in your daily meal plans. That will greatly impact your quality of sleep. Start a rigorous exercise regimen. You have to start that right away. Get into the gym. Just start working out. Full body workout program twice a week interspersed with or in between workouts, go for brisk walks and progress from there. Utilize the technology options that are available to you. And these, I'm talking about the sleep apps. Choose one that I've suggested. They work. And identify, of course, and reduce any sorts of stress in your life. Take steps to reduce those issues that you have, because that will reduce your cortisol levels and that will help you sleep. So there you go. How to optimize your sleep quality to boost your testosterone and overall health for men over 40. Adopting these methods into your daily sleep routine may well be the single most important lifestyle change that you can make to improve your health and well-being as a man over 40. So check out the link below in the description, and you can pick up my free Quick Start T-Boosting Checklist. It's got a lot of information in there that you can get started today on men's health tips and lifestyle choices that will boost your testosterone and make you a healthier and stronger man. And drop a comment below. Are you organizing or optimizing your sleep? If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more men's health knowledge and tips. Guys, you owe it to yourself to take care of yourself, because if you don't, nobody will do it for you. So join me in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.